Welcome or welcome back. I'm Artsy and this is our development series. I'm on the road today again, showing you some updates I haven't shown you for a while. Remember, if you like these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh gosh. So all of this were stores. Because I remember the whole area when you pull up come all the way up here, so all of that burnt. You know, much that put up my umbrella. Well, I didn't put up my umbrella. Them Z-bush the place and them fence up here so someone can now look over on the construction sites. So this is in front of Westgate Hills. That's where Westgate Hills, right where you see the mall over there on the turning. And I'll soon show you the sign for this building where they mention what it is they're building here. I also did an update, I think earlier in the year, where I talked about what the plans are for this area in front of Westgate Hills. I think they're planning to do pretty much the same thing that they did over Barnet Tech Park, where they have parcels of land that people can buy and develop. I guess they will be developing some of the parcels of land, and yeah, this is the first development. Yeah, and we're gonna walk. Just a while ago, I tell you taxi if you stop me here, so stop here so for me. You must say yes in a bush. But before I went up a bush there so much like how there's so bushy, but they de-bush it. So yeah, sometimes I wonder if I stand up long enough for no get to see the building properly. I feel like I move fast. I feel like I move too fast most of the time when I'm showing the buildings. And according to YouTube, I need to make my videos longer and I need to talk in between, showing you, telling you about the different developments and all of that. But I'm not somebody who's very good at, call it small talk. That is not me. I am the person who just get right to the point. Unless it's some very deep conversation that we're going into, I can't bother with it for small talk. So, but I'm trying. I'm working hard on it. So I realized they're also doing some construction over on the Westgate Hills side. I'm going to show you that as well. I have no idea what they're building over there. You can see it. Hope my hand not shake too much. Hope my hand not shake too much. Just won't reach the side here. So alright. So here's the sign. So as I said, Westgate Hills over there. So, and on this side it says now selling Prime Development Limited. Why every time America somebody have here ball out from their vehicle? So Prime Development Limited, building contractors, developers, professional warehouse complex, 4 units, 3,600 square feet each, standby water, guardhouse, separate delivery area, assigned parking area. Valerie Levi. So the realtors and appraisers are Valerie Levi and Associates Limited. Lorraine Levi's number is 876-383-1111 if you're interested in a suite in this new complex. It's not finished as yet, but you know. Valerie Levi and Associates, their address written on the sign is Suite 23 Mid Spring Plaza. It's in Kingston. 134C Constant Spring Road, Kingston 8, Jamaica. 876-931-4471. Approved by the Parish Council November 2022. November 2022. And their website is VLAREALTORS.com. All right, and see how the rest of the area look. From the last time I showed you guys, you can see that it kind of grow bush up. Oh, see the top of the building there that I just showed you guys. And that's where I'm walking from. Alrighty, let's get over to this side. And that truck looks like you want to come over here to park this up. Why am I in the middle of the road, sir? Look heavy laden. Anyways, you know, from when we see them big up over here, so, and I'm yet to find out what they're doing over here. I'm not that tall, so I'm trying to lift my hands up so you guys can see. When I get to the front, I'm gonna walk a little bit into Westgate Hills, stand up on the island on the side, and see if I can record. Hold on, catch you back when we reach this. Alrighty, so they are putting, look here, so I look like some digging are going over the side here, so I got just crips on. See, there's some digging are going over here, so too. Alright, moving on. Yeah, how it looks from afar. See the Westgate Hill sign there. I did a drive-through of Westgate Hills probably last year. Can't even say a few months ago. I think it was about last year. I'm gonna try and cross when these vehicles pass. There's no vehicle that come there, so no one come out, man. No vehicle now come. Yo, them a move faster, you know, because the last time I passed this area, so much of the border wall never gone up. So, right beside Singer on Barnett Street, we now have Domino's. It's open. I don't know when it open. November 7th they have. Yep.